This short video is designed to present the next steps when you purchase your fence from us. The first step is to review and sign your Peerless Fence Group sales contract. The contract contains all the details of your project, including the materials to be used, removal of an existing fence if required, a drawing of your fence plan, and the total purchase price. Your sales representative will discuss each item of the contract in detail before you sign. Once you approve and sign your sales contract, you must provide a 50% deposit. The next step is to obtain a building permit. Your city, township, or county have building codes which must be adhered to when building a fence. To obtain a building permit, you'll need the fence plan we've provided and a copy of your plat of survey. These documents are submitted along with an application and any fees that are required. And just so you know, if you're also building a swimming pool as part of your overall fence project, you'll need to submit those plans at the same time. The documents are reviewed by a planning committee or engineer. The process may take a few days or a few weeks depending on your municipality. Once you receive your approved permit, please send us a copy along with any additional documents attached to the permit. In cases where a homeowners association is involved, you may need to submit your proposed fence plan for approval. Many times, checking with your neighbors who have a fence already installed can be a great resource for obtaining homeowner association details. Let's take a moment to review utilities. There are two categories: public and private. Public utilities include electric power lines, gas lines, water and sewer lines, as well as cable TV, phone lines, and internet. Julie, or Digger, depending on where you live, is a one-call system for utility notification. They both have an 811 number. We are going to contact Julie or Digger on your behalf. We just wanted you to know that this is an important step before we install your fence. Private utilities may include electrical lines to a detached garage, storage shed or outside lighting, sprinkler systems, drain tiles, septic systems, gas lines to outdoor grills, and pet invisible fence installations. It's your responsibility to mark the location of all private utilities. If you do have a private utility in the way of a proposed fence line, you will need to have it relocated. This must be completed before your fence installation date. You and your sales representative will have discussed any landscaping which might interfere with your new fence. Be sure you trim, or if necessary, relocate any plants, trees, shrubs, or flowers which are in the way or could get damaged. Our installation teams don't have the necessary tools to do this job for you, so be sure you take care of any landscaping issues before they arrive. In today's hectic world, we sometimes don't get to know our neighbors. We found that contacting your neighbors and reviewing with them your fence plans keeps you and them on good neighborly terms. It's time to schedule the installation of your new Peerless fence. At this point, we have received and reviewed all of your documents. We have a signed contract and deposit in hand. And we have ordered your fencing. We are ready to schedule your installation. An installation date requires that you be home for the entire process in case any questions come up. You will be greeted by the team leader. Normally, it takes 15 minutes or so to review the installation materials to confirm the correct product, style gate, and any other options. You and the team leader will walk around your property in order to discuss the installation details. The location of any gates will be identified, as well as how and in which direction they should swing. Special care will be taken to respect your property and minimize the impact to your lawn and landscaping. The installation crew is trained to specifically meet and exceed your expectations. They are professionals who know and understand the safe use of their tools and equipment. The crew has experience. They will provide you with an expert installation. Should you make any changes to your fence or gates during the installation, a change order is needed to be signed and approved. Upon completion, we will place a peerless placard on your fence, as well as a sign in your yard. Once the team has finished their work and cleaned up the job site, the team lead member will show you the completed installation. You will be shown any special features such as gates and how they work. When you provide acceptance of the installation, you will sign the completion form. If paying by check, provide one for the remaining amount due. If you're paying by credit card, you will need to contact us to complete the transaction. Relax and enjoy your new fence knowing that our labor and material warranty programs offer worry-free protection.